Have you ever wondered what is the process of getting solar energy? Please stick around to the end of the video. I will give you a comprehensive account of my experience. I have now had solar energy for close to 2 years. I can attest that getting solar feels overwhelming. However, what I have seen is that you save money each month in addition to reducing your carbon footprint. I began to think about solar when I got a $400 bill. I did a few Google searches. One day, I filled out a form online. The barrage of calls started. I continued my YouTube, Facebook, and asked my utility company about solar. The utility company could not give me a recommendation but told me that a 10 kilowatt system would qualify for a $4,500 rebate. I assessed my 12-month electric usage and said it makes sense to go solar. I had gotten a new roof when I moved in 8 years earlier. I had also removed 20 trees from my backyard because I feared they could fall on my house. In addition, I had an upgraded circuit breaker and my meter was equipped with solar. I got some quotes from EnergySage.com. However, I spoke to 3 companies and compared the rates. I had a conversation with a couple of different companies. I had a salesperson come out. I asked that they call me back in 2 weeks. They did and came back out. I had just made some major purchases, so I told them later. However, I ran a credit check and got denied. I asked them to run it with a different loan provider and it got approved. Not sure what happened because I had an above-average credit score. I am telling prospective solar customers to do their research and don't trust their advisor's words before they sign on the dotted line. After approval, the company sent my design to the electric utility company to get approval. Next, the county needed to approve the solar design. The process should have taken 6 weeks, but due to COVID and lack of installers in Georgia at the time of my installation, it took a few months for me. I got solar installed and started monitoring. Within a couple of weeks, I got a $4,500 check from my utility company. A few months later, I got $14,000 back on my taxes from the tax credit. My solar loan started at $115 and went up to $150 after 18 months. My bill has hovered between $35 to $100. The worst case scenario I have encountered is a total monthly bill of $200. For example, 150 plus 50 equals $200. My experience has been outstanding. The key is to educate yourself, seek advice from people who have solar, and do your research. I hope this has helped. If you want more feedback, please DM me or send a note to me on my blog at go2solarnow.com/blog. I hope this video has given you more insight into what it is like to go solar. I would love to get comments from others who have gone solar. I am open to hearing from a salesperson about how my process is similar to others or unique. If the video has been helpful, please comment, like my video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos.